Turkish firm develops mobile early warning anti-drone system named Kalka. The system also has the ability to conduct frequency tracing. The system's radars, which depend entirely on domestic software, can perceive and prevent a target from up to 5,000 meters. It is also effective against herd drone attacks. This system will be used to prevent useless cargo transport, flights conducted by terrorists, or activities such as carrying drugs, bombs and prohibited substances. Russia and Pakistan are claimed to be the first buyers of this system. The device is wanted for use in the security of concerts, rallies, transfers, and social events in Pakistan.